is the 3 layers corner rack. For this, the item's number is CJB1019R for this item. And for this rack, the size is 35 by 35, and the height is 80 centimeters. And for this one, the post size is also 19, and the material is carbon steel. And the finish is powder coating in black. You can see this is the black. For this item, you can put on the corner. It's very nice here. It's also nice. So for these items, the packing size is very small. For the packing size for this one, the size is the carton size is 36 by 36, and the height is 12. That is okay for this one. If you like this one, you can tell us. So I will show you the next one. And for this item, it is also with the wheels. The wheels is the nylon wheel. Is 1.5 inch. You can see. For this one, is usually put in our home kitchen. It's very nice. You can see. Yes. So, and this item also have the one-piece sporage here. It's very stable, and the loading weight of this one is 30 kilos per share.
Our laboratory testing has 100 people visitor coming.
Okay. So, and the next one. And the next one is our another wholesale series, is the garment rack. For this garment rack, I want to show you these two items. You can compare these two items. For these two items, the size is very similar. And for this item, the item number, the black one, the item number is GR904193B2EW2. For this one, the size is 90 by 45 centimeters, and the height is 193. But for this item with the wheels, but the wheels is 2-inch PP wheel. The material is different with narrow wheel. The quality of PP wheel is good, better than narrow. And for this one, the size is very similar. The size for this one, the size also is 90 by 45, and the height is 180. And these two items, the wheels also are 2-inch PP wheel. But their difference is the post size. You can see the post size is 19, but this one, the post size is 25. And they are different finish. For this one is powder coating in black, and this one is chromed. For this one are the wholesale items. And for the camera is here. It had the single hanger here. You can put the clothes or handbags here. You can use when you like this or like this. You can adjust this one. You can hang the handbag here or other things here. So for this one, for the black one, the loading capacity of this one is 30 kilos per share. And the corn one, this one is the post size 25, and the loading capacity is 50 kilos per share. That's more stronger. You can see this one. And these two items, they also have 2 pieces hangers here. You can put the clothes here. So, next one. So the next one is our bigger garment rack. For this one is the bigger gamma ray. For this item is CJB 11607. For this item, the size is 120 by 45 centimeters, and the height is 180 centimeters. For this one is with 11 feet. For the pole size is 19. And the loading capacity of this one is 30 kilos per share. This also supported coating in black for this one. And this one, if you want to choose the cover, we also have the cover for your choice. For this item, is also hot sales in our Asian market because it is very good for their house. So this is our garment rack series and kitchen rack. These items. If you are interested in these items, you can tell us. We can send you the more details and the price soon. So, and the next series is our coach will show you